Hello and welcome to my first year in LA. I came in October, so I participated in Halloween things. Cause we from Memphis. I hit the ground running with my exploration and just seeing what was out there, really. This is so cute. I'm a huge sucker for the sun and art, so naturally.
I don't want to be on camera.
Look at Baby Trey in the sunlight. I have a Neo that's doing boss things at Sony, so she gave me a pass for the day. And this is just a sunset in Malibu. My high school roomie came to visit, so we hung out and I got to hang with her friends as well. My lawn sister Tots came to visit. I never get tired of the views here. The Lit Club, hosted by Hannah, and you get to see a rainbow, and you know it's God's promise. I'm swerving. Okay, we're gaining some wind. Oh shit. Shoot. It won't take long for you to notice that if I find a mirror, I'ma dance in it. I'ma do a little jig. We did that. So a notable thing about Long Beach is that they have a grunion run, and it's little fish that look like sardines, but they're not sardines, that like migrate and come to shore, and they know the time of year to come. And it was just so cool and weird to watch the beach fill up with a bunch of fish. Cook-off was a blast. I mean, to be able to serve, dance, and enjoy the community, it was, yeah, So riveting. So riveting.
Oh, whoops.
I did give a mirror warning. Warning.
Cheers, happy birthday.
This lady made like a life-size fortune cookie that used to make in class and like play with people, and it really took me back.
Wait, what was it? Show the answer so I can go back and do a little.
Sure.
Oh, better than the answer that guy.
Amazing. Amazing.
This band killed it. They had me sweating, shaking in front of people's tables. I mean, I wouldn't go sit down for nobody.
Put your hands together for Nina! But I am a little embarrassed. I actually came here to confess something to you guys. Forgive me for saying this, but I spent the majority of these 9 years trying to pass as a white man. I tried to be white. And not just any white, Jake from State Farm white. So in my attempt of shooting for Jake from State Farm, I totally missed the mark, and I end up being Professor Snape from Harry Potter. And the third being, I don't think that God made me to struggle with my identity and rhythm. I'm glad I do have rhythm, so why should I struggle with both? God made you to be colorful and unique. He didn't make you to be sitting on the other line being the insurance or reassurance for anybody. You know what I'm saying? I have empathy. I got rich emotions, okay? And the reality is, I really had to go through the ghettos of my 20s to see what poverty of the mind and heart looked like.
We were at this movie premiere, and I was like, ooh, I bet Will's gonna show up. And he did. I love Will Ferrell. Why, Ari? Why? I was elated to see the shows curated by Solange. They were phenomenal, fantastic, excellent. It was given, all my niggas in the whole wide world. This is me sneaking up with my other Neo, baby name. Got him.
This is so crazy. This is real life. This is not fake. This is real.
Shanae is working, y'all. She is working. Lady at work. Woman at work. Oh. Is she talking to anybody?
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for attending the first ever Whataburger flagship. Please be advised the restaurant will be closing in 10 minutes.
Well, I'm not promoting drinking. Take a shot every time I dance in the mirror. I dare you. I dare you.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Who's that? Oh, what?
32
What?
like.
Oh, 32. Look
Whole
at
32.
you. Oh. I love it.
I was standing in the middle of the road. It was like, oh, that's some on around here.
Let me see what buddy can do.
Oh! That's what you get. And that was on camera. She was good.
Running that mouth.
Shenanigans.
When I stopped looking at baby, I let go. I let go. So if you love, just say so. 'Cause I can't play these games with you no more.
Alrighty.
You mind if I shake them too? Okay. Yeah. I can do my thing? Yes. Okay. Yes.